Hi everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through the Roblox error code 403. Now, have you been getting the 403 error code on Roblox? In this video I'm going to show you how to fix that. Now, the Roblox error code typically indicates a server-side issue or a problem you got with your account's access. So whenever you see the error code 403 on Roblox, it means you're having a server-side issue or you're having a problem with your account access. So I'm going to give you these following troubleshooting steps to try. The first thing you need to check is your Roblox server status. So visit the official Roblox status page to see if there are any ongoing outages or maintenance that might be causing the error. Next, a simple restart of your router and modem can often resolve temporary network glitches. So simply restart your internet connection. Next, clear Roblox cache and cookies. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies can help remove any outdated or corrupted data that might be interfering with your connection. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it temporarily to see if it is causing the error. Then, a fresh installation can sometimes fix corrupted game files or outdated software, so reinstall Roblox. If none of the above solutions work, then please reach out to Roblox support for further assistance. They may be able to provide more specific troubleshooting steps or investigate the issue on their end. Remember to provide as much details as possible to Roblox support, including the exact error message, any recent changes you've made to your system, and the steps you've already tried to resolve the issue. Hope you found this video helpful in solving your problem. If you did, like, subscribe to this channel for more. Do not forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of our videos. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Have a lovely day or night depending on your time zone. Bye for now.